Welcome to another Hoppa 3D video. Today's project is a Smilodon skull. My mom asked me if I could make her one, and of course I set out to get it done. This project's model comes to us from JackieMake from Cults 3D. I printed the model's stand in filament, but printed the skull and teeth in resin for better textures and detail. A single piece print plus the two saber teeth make this a quick project to complete. Once printing, rinsing, and curing was completed, I started with a standard black primer from Army Painter. Once the primer dried, successive layers of color were applied to create depth and build highlights. My colors for this model are a mix of beiges and yellows. Smilodon was a family of saber-toothed cats that were very successful over a very long period. Misnamed when first discovered as saber-toothed tigers, we now know they are not related to tigers, but rather are members of an extinct line of felines that diverged from modern cats about 20 million years ago. About the size of modern lions, Smilodon was more robustly built with weights estimated between 400 to 620 pounds and height around 3.5 feet at the shoulder. Extensive fossil specimens exist in excellent condition thanks to many animals becoming trapped and preserved in the La Brea tar pits. This model is for the Smilodon fatalis species, which was active throughout North America. I follow the color layers with an oil paint wash. I apply the wash with a brush and dab off the excess with a crumpled up paper towel. This creates further depth and also adds a layer that gives an oily look to the piece. I then use ivory and some white to tone the teeth more in line with the preserved fossils. The final step is a light dry brushing to bring out some detail and create more highlights. And now it's time to attach the canines and give this model its iconic feature. A simple nameplate screwed to the printed and painted base, and this model is complete. Smilodon is one of the most recognizable animals from the Ice Age. It has been represented extensively in film and television, as well as comics and other art forms. I hope that my mom will enjoy this project, and that you did as well, following along as I made it for her.
If you would like to see more of this type of content, please consider subscribing, and thank you for watching.